welcome to my channel. My name is Alexis Hope. I appreciate you being here. So today I am going to start my 3-day water fast. And a water fast is when you drink nothing but water for 3 days. And I know some people probably drink green tea, black coffee, unflavored of course, no sugar. But I am going to try to do nothing but water. What started me on this was this video. You see, the fupa is fupaing, okay? I was so embarrassed, but I posted the reel anyways because I'm a trooper, but I knew that I needed to lose weight. I know many of you have probably seen my intermittent fasting video. This is sort of the same, except I'm not eating at all. I'm just staying hydrated. And I know some people probably do more than 3 days. I think I saw somebody do 21. I ain't built for that, okay? I'm just a beginner who is trying to do 3. But I do have a caveat. I do plan on working out as long as I can. I know that some people say they are depleted of energy and they're unable to work out for any longer than that first day, which is cool. I'm trying to do as much as I can, but I am going to try to work out, and it's going to be hard. I know it because I have 0 pre-workout in me. I'm not able to drink it. It's going to be hard. It's going to suck, but I'm going to try to work out as long as I can. If not, I'm going to walk. I'm going to do something. I'm still going to stay active. I'm just not going to hopefully sit around. I also will be linking a really good video below down in the description. The one that I watched that gave me all the information I needed. And just know I technically started today, but I didn't eat anything after maybe 8 or so yesterday. So I'm starting today technically, but I didn't eat anything after 9. So I do want to stress that maybe moving into this slowly would be beneficial. Starting keto or low carb a couple of days before, that way your body isn't like, oh my god, I'm not eating. So I did that, and because this is my first time doing this type of fast, I really didn't ever think I would do something like this, but this is my first time. So I think that for those of us who are beginners at this, probably starting keto or going to 1 meal a day would ease your body into this type of thing. So I'm going to actually get dressed and head to the gym. No pre-workout, like I said. This is going to be a battle, but when I come back, I'm also going to weigh myself and I'm going to measure myself. We're going to see what I'm at. I want to see my numbers, and hopefully by the end of this video I would have lost weight. Okay, so I'm now up to 184. I did have some water because I'm starting, but ignore my toes. Okay, so my stomach is a 39. My hips are a 42. So 39 and 42. I'm on my way to Walmart right now. I need to pick up something. My plan is to go in there, stick to the mission. I need to pick up my medication. That is all I'm there for. I'm going to go check clearance because that's just the type of girl I am. But I need to stick to the mission. I don't need to be all up in the food section. I have to stick to the plan. All right, so we are entering the food section because my mother needs to get food. Pray for me, y'all. We got this. So I do plan on doing a video on what I'm going to eat after this fast, because of course I'm going to have to eat. So I'm scouting right now. I'm looking at carbs and calories. I mainly count carbs, and I want to stay in a deficit, of course, and I want to stay in ketosis. So I plan on taking you guys shopping, so subscribe, stay tuned for that. And I'm scouting currently. Just an update, walking through Walmart, I'm exhausted, tired, my head is about to hurt. I forgot to put pink salt in my water that I've been drinking, and my head is hurting. And that's because, I know in my head I'm not dying, but my body is like, hold up, we haven't had food in a very long time. What's going on? But yeah, that's just an update. So we're here at a pizza place. My mom's getting a sub. It be your own people. Be your own people, folks. Be your own people. I'm not getting anything. I'm staying strong. The headache kind of went away. When I go home and I get something to drink again, I'm going to put some Himalayan salt in it. Keep my electrolytes up. I know there's things you can buy, but I'm not risking anything breaking my fast. Alright, so you guys, this is the end of day 1. I made it. I made it. I was worried. Like I said before, I wake up thinking about food. I dream about food. Okay, so for me to not eat, that's asinine. But I do have some tips. So when I came home from being out and about, I did put some Himalayan salt in my water. My headache is trying to go away. And what sucks is that I now have heartburn and I can't take nothing for it. I don't know what I could take for it that wouldn't break my fast. You know, you have Pepto and I mean just things for heartburn, it would break my fast. So I'm sitting here in pain, struggling, just hurting. So day 1 down, we're good. Tomorrow's going to be a good day. I think tomorrow, instead of me going to the gym, because I was in the gym for like 30 minutes. And after being on a treadmill for 4 minutes, like 4 minutes and 30 some seconds, I was looking at it. I was ready to go, okay? So I think tomorrow I'm just going to walk, maybe near where I live, instead of just going to the gym, because I don't want to mess with it. Good morning. We're on day 2 and I'm walking. I know yesterday I said I was kind of tired. I was, that's the truth, but I want to stay active. I want to lose as much weight as I can during this whole journey. So that's why I am out here walking. Now, mind you, yesterday I stayed at the gym for 30 minutes. That was a stretch. And that's because I didn't have my pre-workout, you know, no C4, no Celsius. So I'm surprised I did that, to be honest with you. And I don't think I'm going to be doing this for too long. I'm not walking my normal route. I actually cut my route in half because I'm not trying to stress myself out. I'm just trying to do a little something to stay active. Alright, end of day 2. I feel like crap. I felt pretty good this morning when I got up. But going throughout the day and having to move and stuff, I feel terrible. My head still hurts, although I've been doing salt. I feel really bad. I can't wait for tomorrow for this to be over with. But I kind of just sneak and weigh myself, so I've lost a lot of weight. But tomorrow I'll check in with you guys, and I think my stomach's gone a little bit. Just a little bit though. So check in with you guys tomorrow morning, and I don't think I'm going to go work out at all. No workout, no exercise, no walking, no nothing. So I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Hey lovelies, so it is day 3. Thank God. Oh, I made it. Well, it's morning. It's still pretty early. I got a long ways to go. But I'm on hour 62 of my fast. And I did count because I started technically on Tuesday by not eating anything Tuesday, but I did count when I stopped eating Monday evening. So I'm on hour 62. I have 10 to go. So we'll see how that goes. But yesterday I did go to a friend's house after work, and they sat in front of me and ate because she cooked, and that's why we were there. But she bought some sparkling water for me so that I wouldn't feel left out. It was hard because the food looked good, and she also baked cheesecake. And yeah, although I did bring some home, but I have to, you know, break my fast easy, so it'd have to be for one of my cheat days. Yesterday I did come home and go to sleep. I mean early. Like 7:30, 8 o'clock, and that's because I was so exhausted. I woke up about 3:30 this morning, and I went back to sleep pretty easily and didn't wake back up till almost 8. So I am still tired, and they say that on day 2 and 3, you know, you're so energized at first. Yes, I was, but I'm at the point now where I've stayed up for so long during the day, and when I like getting my shower and stuff, you know, that kind of wears me out a little bit. So I know that some people drink black coffee. I wasn't going to do any of that. I was just going to stick to water, but I have some green tea in my cup over here. I think I am going to have to probably go to black coffee or something like that, just, you know, to keep my energy up, because it's been a struggle. So I have been peaking and I have been putting my feet on the scale, okay? I'm not even going to hold you. But I've lost so far 7 pounds and I'm not even mad at it. 7 pounds in 3 days, and this is the beginning of the third. I ain't even mad at it. So I ain't even mad at it. But if I don't pick you guys back up until like later this evening, just know that I'm not going to weigh myself until tomorrow morning, and that's when I'm going to break my fast. And I'm going to show you guys what I eat to break my fast, so stay tuned for that. It's not going to be in this video probably. It's going to be in another video, but I am going to go shopping for the food and I'm going to break my fast in a natural way to where my body can handle it. Good morning, guys. This is the day that I break my fast and I weigh myself. So let's see how much weight I've lost in this morning. So I haven't had anything. And we did it, 176.4. Almost 10 pounds down. Yes, had I went a week, it probably would have been a little bit more. Oh my goodness, I'm still going to intermittent fast. But your girl is almost down 10 pounds, okay? Let's rejoice. Let's clap for that. Yesterday, I didn't get too much water in me because I was out. And I had some hunger pains. You know, a lot of people say that you don't feel anything by day 3. I did. I personally did. I did feel very tired. Not as tired as I was on day 2, but I felt tired. And I also felt that I could eat a horse. And I'm probably going to have a Gatorade Zero, just because yesterday I didn't get a lot of water in me. And that sucks because I was out and about in the hot sun. But you guys, thank you so much for helping me on this journey, keeping me accountable, holding me to what I said I was going to do. I appreciate that. And don't worry, there's going to be more great videos to come. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.